In this video, I will guide you through the ChatBotistic platform, including how to use the dashboard, manage your widgets, configure fetchers, and customize everything based on your business needs. Before we begin, let me briefly introduce myself. I started my online career in 2020 as a web developer on Fiverr. Since 2023, I've also been providing professional SEO services to clients worldwide. In 2024, I launched my startup Wordpressistic, where we build advanced automation tools and smart chatbot solutions like ChatBotistic. Now, I explore these tools in two parts. First is to explore the client portal dashboard to manage everything about your widgets and agents. Second part for only lifetime white level deal users who will get a complete custom solution with unlimited widgets, unlimited agents, unlimited domains, and much more. It's a completely white level solution for agencies. And in this deal, I will set up a complete custom tools with the client's branding and configure a custom domain like this. Now let's explore the platform step by step. First, open your browser and enter this link, app.chatbotistic.com, and then log in using your account credentials. After logging in, you will see the main client dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage your chatbot widget, agents, leads, campaigns, and customization settings. Let's start with the widget dashboard. This section allows you to manage and customize your chatbot widget that appears on your website. Here you can create new widgets, edit existing widgets, activate or deactivate widgets, and connect widgets to your website. Now click on your widget button to open the customization panel. Inside the widget settings, you will see multiple customization options. In general settings, here you can configure widget name, welcome message, widget position on your website, visibility settings, etc. This controls the basic behavior of your chatbot. Next, in design settings, this section allows you to customize the appearance of the widget. You can change widget colors, chat bubble style, button appearance, font and branding, logo and profile image. This helps match the chatbot with your brand identity. Next, in landing page option, this feature allows you to create a dedicated chatbot landing page. You can enable or disable the landing page, customize layout and content, share the landing page link directly with your customers, and each widgets have a separate landing page creation option with a custom widget name. And also you will get an septate agent landing page to share the agent's profile. This is useful if you want customers to interact with your chatbot without visiting your website. This is useful if you want customers to interact with your chatbot without visiting your website. Next, I explain the agent customization function. Let's explore the agent's dashboard. Here you can create and manage chatbot agents. Agents represent your AI assistants. You can configure agent name, agent personality and tone, instructions and behavior, and assigned widgets. This allows you to create different agents for different purposes, such as support, sales, or booking. Next, I explore FAQ training dashboard. This is one of the most powerful features. The FAQ training dashboard allows you to train the AI with your business information. You can add frequently asked questions, answers about your services, business details, policies, and information. The more information you provide, the smarter and more accurate your chatbot becomes. You can train your AI model using URL scan with your business website URLs. Also, there have option to scan your website's sitemaps URLs also. You can train your AI model using custom text sheets or custom information of your most specific inquiry. Next, I explore leads tracking dashboard. Let's look at the leads dashboard. This section automatically collects and stores customer information. You can track customer names, email addresses, phone numbers, messages, conversation history, and much more. This helps you convert visitors into customers and follow up with them later. Next, I explore Campaign Tracking Dashboard. This section allows you to track marketing and chatbot performance. You can monitor user interactions, conversion data, engagement performance, campaign effectiveness. This helps you optimize your chatbot for better results. Now, I explain the most important thing, which is how you can connect this chatbot widget or your booking widget to your website. First of all, come to the Widget tab, and then you can see the Install Widget on your website option. Just click this button, and then you can see a pop-up come to you with these details. Just copy the code from here. If you are using WordPress CMS, then I have a custom plugin for this tool. Just install the plugin on your website, and then you can see an option like this on your WordPress dashboard. Just click the ChatBotistic option, and here you can see a field for pasting the code. Just paste the code that you get from the widget dashboard, and then scroll down and click on save. Boom, you are done. Just enter your website URL, and then you can see the chatbot are visitable on your website. So that was the detailed guide of Clients Portal Dashboard. This dashboard is for the clients who will get our yearly subscription for their small business. Now I will explore the enterprise level solution, where you can create unlimited widgets, agents, connect unlimited website with unlimited domains, and much more. Fetchers like your own software. It's a completely white label solution for agencies, and in this deal, I will set up a complete custom tools with the white level client's branding and configure a custom domain like me. Now, let's talk about the lifetime white level deal for enterprise level solution. One-time payment, lifetime, unlimited use with all future updates of this tool. So for lifetime and white label users, there are additional and advanced tools fetchers. These include more customizable fetchers and automation tools. This fetchers allow the chatbot to fetch data from your website, learn from your content automatically, and update responses based on real-time information. This ensures your chatbot always provides accurate and updated answers. Now, how to manage and customize everything. To manage your chatbot effectively, follow these simple steps. First, configure your widget, customize design and branding, and train your AI agent. Configure FAQs and knowledge base, and monitor leads and tools. With these features, you can fully manage, customize, and optimize your chatbot without any technical complexity. If you need any assistance, then our support team is always ready to provide support to you with any kind of customization or technical help. So that was for today, and thank you so much for watching the video using your valuable time.